Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hesti Juwanti, NPM 22-10072. Criminal Case Study in Indonesia Motorcycle Theft 2024. Background: the case of the theft of a motorbike belonging to a restaurant employee by suspect Wahyu Jailani has shocked the residents of Cihapit, Bandung. This theft occurred in 2024 in Bandung, and the crime revolved around the theft of a motorbike belonging to a restaurant employee, Muhammad Ihsan, at a minimarket in Bandung. Victim: Muhammad Ihsan Febianto, a 21 years old man, asked for help from Billy Sagala, who worked as a parking attendant at the restaurant where they worked, to buy cigarettes at Circle K. Billy agreed to buy them. Then Ihsan handed over his ATM card and motorbike to Billy to buy cigarettes. Billy invited Wahyu Jailani, defendant, to accompany him. Arriving in front of Circle K, then when Billy was going to park the motorbike belonging to the victim in the parking lot, the defendant suggested not to park the motorbike on the grounds that he would not pay for parking. Then Billy Sagala went into the Circle K store while Wahyu waited outside sitting on the victim motorbike. Then Wahyu had the intention to take the motorbike whose ignition key was attached to the motorbike ignition keyhole. Then without the permission and knowledge of Ihsan and Billy, Wahyu immediately took the victim motorbike home with a friend. Then Wahyu asked his friend to sell the motorbike. Initial investigation. 1. The incidents. The theft was discovered on Monday, June 17, 2024. Initially, Ihsan did not know who the perpetrator was, but after the incidents, Ihsan asked the victim friend named Billy, who knew the incident directly, who took Ihsan motorbike, and according to Billy's statement, the person who took the victim motorbike was named Wahyu Jailani. 2. Key evidence. Sweater. One blue Uniqlo brand sweater or crew neck. The sweater is known to belong to the victim named Muhammad Ihsan Febianto. Motorcycle. The item stolen by Wahyu Jailani is a Honda Scoopy R2 motor vehicle, brown in color with police number D2595 ABY, year 2018. Suspect: Wahyu Jailani. Background: Wahyu Jailani, the 21 years old suspect, is a friend of Billy Sagala, a parking attendant at the restaurant where the victim worked. Wahyu is an Indonesian citizen and works as a busker. Motive: the motive for the crime was that Wahyu initially did not plan to commit theft. However, because there was an opportunity and at the time of the incident the suspect was drunk, then the suspect immediately took the motorbike and took it to the suspect friend's house. Then the suspect asked his friend to sell the stolen motorbike. Behavior after the incident. After committing the theft, the suspect rested and fell asleep at his friend's house. The trial. 1. Charges. Wahyu Jailani was arrested and charged with the crime of theft under the Criminal Code Article 362. He essentially stole a motorbike belonging to Muhammad Ihsan Febianto. Anyone who takes something which in whole or in part belong to another person with the intention of possessing it unlawfully is threatened with theft, with a maximum imprisonment of 5 years of a maximum fine of 900 rupiah. The element in Article 362, the Criminal Code are as follows. A. Element of whoever. What is meant by the element in this case is person or legal subject who is accused of having committed the crime. In this case, defendant named Wahyu Jailani bin Asep Supriyatna, deceased, has been presented, who is a legal subject, and during the trial, the defendant was proven to be physically and mentally healthy and able to responsible for the action charged to him, both based on the statement of witnesses and the way the defendant spoke and responded to the statement of the witnesses, and has also been matched with the indictment, which turned out to be suitable and there will be no error in persona. So, the element of everyone has been fulfilled. B. The element of taking something that is fully or partly owned by another person with the intention of possessing it unlawfully. That what is prohibited and threatened with punishment in this crime is that act of taking, namely bringing something under his absolute and real control. For the crime of theft, the intention to control must be in line with the act of taking. It is implied that the defendant's intention is to control the object he took, as if he were the owner unlawfully, and the defendant with the intention of being able to control the object he stole unlawfully. So, the element has been fulfilled. 2. Defense. The suspect made a request which essentially stated that he regretted it and asked for a lighter sentence. 3. Prosecution. The prosecution argued that Wahyu had the motive, opportunity, and means to commit the theft. They emphasized evidence and witness testimonies that confirm the theft. 4. Sentencing. On October 50, 2024, Wahyu Jailani was found guilty of theft and sentenced to 3 years in prison minus time served with an order to remain in detention. Key issue and legal takeaways. 1. Role of evidence. This case underscores the importance of evidence in criminal investigation, particularly evidence that is the result of the crime of theft. 2. Motive and psychological profiling. The motive behind the crime was the opportunity to commit the crime. The victim condition was proven to be physically and mentally healthy and able to take responsibility for his action. 3. Legal system and sentencing. The final verdict and sentence against Wahyu Jailani was 3 years in prison minus the time he had served, becoming 2 years and 6 months. Judges' consideration. 1. That regarding the evidence of 1. Bu Uniqlo brand sweater or crewneck which has been confiscated, the evidence is returned to the victim witness Muhammad Ihsan Febianto. 2. Considering the aggravating circumstances, the defendant's action have harmed the victim witness Muhammad Ihsan Febianto and the defendant's action have disturbed the community. 3. Considering the mitigating circumstances, the defendant is honest and regret his action and promise not to repeat his action again, and the defendant is still young and is expected to improve himself in the future. 4. That because the defendant was sentenced to a criminal offense, he must also be burdened with paying court costs. 5. Considering Article 362 of the Criminal Code and Law Number 8 of 1981 concerning criminal procedure law and other relevant law and regulation. Verdict. 1. Declare that the defendant Wahyu Jailani bin Asep Supriyatna deceased has been proven legally and convincingly guilty of committing the crime of theft as in the first indictment. 2. Sentencing the defendant therefore to imprisonment for 2 years and 6 months. 3. Determining that the period of arrest and detention that defendant has served is deducted entirely from the sentence imposed. 4. Determining that the defendant remains in detention. 5. determining that evidence in the form of one blue Uniqlo brand sweater or crew neck be returned to witness Muhammad Ihsan Febianto. 6. Charging the defendant to pay court costs of 2,000 rupiah. Conclusion. Wahyu Jelani was involved in the theft of a motorbike belonging to Muhammad Ihsan Febianto, which occurred on June 17, 2024 in Bandung. In the incident, Muhammad Ihsan Febianto became the victim of the motorbike theft. This case reflects the rampant motorbike theft in the city of Bandung, which has become a concern for the police to improve security and law enforcement. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.